Hi guys, this is boy Binkan back for another video. Today I will show you how to edit tweet in the Twitter. They are not way to edit your tweet. If you share for videos about how to edit your tweet, they are all of them is fake. You cannot edit your tweet. Twitter not edit functionality like this. The only way is serverity that they have like 5 years or 8 years, 10 years in the tweet, and they have verified the blue sign or blue Nike or something like that. They can edit. If you need this to go to your profile, you can see this is my tweet and hit on it. You can delete, pin to your profile, change who can replay, and edit or remove from this. They are not way to edit your profile. I hope that Twitter added that feature in Twitter app. I hope that helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.